Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could update an HP computer or laptop's BIOS driver. To begin, just connect to the internet and open your browser and type HP drivers and hit enter. At the first stage or the first result should show HP support, https://support.hp.com. Just click on it. Make sure to see the logo and double check that you are on the official website of HP. For downloading and installing driver, it's totally for free and HP won't ask you for money for it. So make sure that you're on the correct website. So click on laptop or desktop based on which model you have or which kind of computer. Next step, here you want to type the model of your computer. Mine is an HP ProBook 650 G4. Here you need to identify and select the operating system. In my case, it's a Windows 11. In your case, it might be Windows 7 or 8 or 10. And again, select the version Windows 11. Click Submit and wait for a few seconds. Next step, all softwares and drivers section will appear. Click on BIOS, HP firmware pack Q blah blah blah. The latest or the release date 16 October 2024. So this is the most up-to-date one. You might even find newer one. So you want to click or select and click download. Click OK download. Well, so we can actually download. No thanks, I will download and install manually. So you can select this option. Wait for a few seconds until the download is completely finished. Once the download is completed, click to open the download folder. Right click on the driver, run as administrator. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this application to make changes to your device. You can go ahead and click yes and wait for a few seconds. And as a next step, you want to click next. Next, I have already installed it, but you need just to keep clicking next. I accept. And after that, you will be asked to restart your computer and the driver of the BIOS should have been up to date for you. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.